My name's Brian Hilko. I'm the owner and founder of the Golf Factory here at Randhurst Village in Mount Prospect.
Perfect. I got you here on number 4, so we'll head on over.
I've always had this vision of what I thought a good golf experience was, and to me that was, I wanted to take all the things I love about golf, but in a laid-back atmosphere. A country club member could come in here and feel comfortable, a guy who plays at the local public course, a mom and her son, looking for something to kill an hour. We do a lot of cool tournaments, events. We have a big junior program. Wear t-shirts here, hoodies. We want a relaxed environment to just enjoy golf. We have 10 TrackMan golf sims. A really good player could come in and practice and see all their club head data. Avid golfer could come in and play in our leagues. The graphics are incredible. There's a lot of named courses like Pebble Beach and St. Andrews that they can play, but also you can come in with the beginner golfer, the top golfer, and there's mini games and fun stuff that will bring them in. I feel like there's something in there for every golfer.
Nice, yeah! Look at that!
I've been in the golf business my whole life. I've never gone into any kind of commercial real estate, opening a business, just run golf courses. So all this is new and foreign to me. I was terrified. There's so many unknowns, and I thought I had a really cool concept and I thought we could do something really special, but finding a development to buy into that was hard. That's what led me to Randhurst Village. DLC bought in from day one, and they just made things easy. They said, what do I need? And how can we make this deal work for you? And what do you need to be successful? I couldn't have been more excited. What I've realized coming to DLC and coming to Randhurst Village is we're a team. We're trying to make this whole development successful. And me being an entertainment space, hopefully I attract a bar restaurant across the way to come in and another entrepreneur that we can kind of feed off each other. The pride that people have in Randhurst and Mount Prospect in whole, it's just everybody wants to see it succeed. When people walk in here and they're like, oh my, this is one of the coolest indoor golf spaces out there. They take that as Mount Prospect has one of the coolest indoor golf spaces out there, and I love that. To see the excitement of the local community and how proud of it they already are, it's just awesome. It doesn't get old.